Hi guys, I'm Tega Best. This is ANS, the channel with a unique gossip. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to quickly talk to married women about fighting side chick. But before that, I want to say hi to these side chickens. Yeah, hi chicky chicky. See, leave people's husbands alone. Yes, all these young girls. There are young boys you can date. You say no. You are just a private prostitute. Yes, you are nothing better than those public prostitutes, all those girls that stand on the highway, or those ones that have a cabal where they do their prostitution. You are nothing better than them. You are just doing your own in a coded way. You are a prostitute. Leave people's husbands alone. Queen of Bakayoko, Opio, Opio. Leave people's husbands alone. Shower cover. Anyway, back to my business. Married women, please stop fighting side chick. You see this, I will beat you that you guys are doing. Stop it. It's not really the right way of, stopping their relationship. No, it's not. There are other ways you can use. Just use your head. You don't need to fight. Yes, you don't need to fight to separate them. There are many things you can do with your brain to stop the relationship. Yes, there are many things you can do. Okay, now, what if after fighting, you found out that your husband told this girl that you are dead? That's why the girl is dating her. How will you feel? Oh my God. See the kind code wey go catch you that you are dead. Yes. Some women that are doing, hey, I will kill this girl today. She's sleeping with my husband. You will have death certificate in your husband's car. Yes, you have death certificate in his office, in his file. You have death certificate. You are just like a living corpse, a walking corpse. That's just what you are. How will you feel when you find out that this is what your husband told the girl? How will you feel? How will you feel if you found out your husband told this girl you are a prostitute and you ran away with his money and his kids, yet you are living with him? How will you feel? Oh my God, what a shameful thing. Yes, why I'm saying this is I know why I'm saying, because some men, these are the things they told these girls they are dating. Yes, they tell them that you are dead. My wife divorced me. I'm a divorcee. I am a widower. I have never married before. Even some of you, the side chick, have seen you. But they told the side chick that you are his sister or brother's wife or the cousin's wife or a far relation or a close relation. Yes. What a shameful thing if you found out after fighting this girl. Shame no go let you look this girl eye because your husband don't disgrace you finish for this small girl present. How will you feel? Stop fighting. There are other ways of settling these things. There are other ways of separating their relationship. I would have mentioned a lot of things, but if I mention them, these men will also watch and see. Watch and hear, and then when you guys are doing it, they will also know that now my wife they do am. No be wetin Tegabet talk. My wife now they do am. But I won't mention anything. Just use your head. You see this head God gave you, it's for thinking. It's not just to think about the kind of shawarma you will eat or expensive clothes you will buy. No, it's for thinking to solve the problems you are facing in your life. So use it wisely and think. Okay, apart from hearing the miserable things your husband told this girl, what if the girl dies? Then you are a mother. You automatically become a mother. Yes, you are now a killer. When this girl dies, that is when you will know that the side chick has family members. If she dies, you will know that government recognizes side chicks. They are people. You will just go to jail for one stupid penis, one stupid man that is sharing his body around. You will go to jail because of one stupid man. Oh my God. Please stop fighting. Stop fighting. Use your head. Use your head and do things. There are things you will do, like I said before, you will just sit down, make coffee, drink and watch TV, and the relationship is breaking down. No be juju. Now wisdom you go use. Just use your head well. I will end my aproko here, and you also end the fighting here. Stop fighting, side chick. I still remain Tega Best, and this is ANS signing out. Over.